Channel. So, I made my first million at the age of 26, but if I'd followed
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the effect of counter numbers on your videos, which you've probably seen many YouTubers using. Create a text layer and type anything you want. Next, add an AIX slider control to the text layer. And link the source text to the slider control. Then create keyframes and type the numbers. This might look rough initially. To make the numbers look right, so open up the expression and type do value to fixed Z. After that, paste the expression, which I'll leave in the first comment. Now the numbers will appear much better. Here's the final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.